Welcome back here on my channel. For those of you who don't know the situation in Berlin, it's freezing cold. We have minus 10 degrees Celsius. That makes the repair work here on the glass fiber extremely difficult because, as you might know, you shouldn't use the resin below a certain temperature. I have two different products which I'm using. One is classical epoxy resin. This one is a little bit better to use at low temperatures, but should be around approximately 5 degrees. The other product which I'm using is the polyester resin. This needs even a higher temperature. Nevertheless, I was already starting the repair, and luckily the new fiberglass is cured quite good. So I did this around 2 weeks ago with higher temperatures. So there was a big impact here somewhere. I still can't figure out what happened here. It was already there when I bought the boat. But you can see here, this is the roof from the inside. So the bottom of the deck, let's say so, and this is a sandwich deck. And you see this had a big crack here, and on the other side as well a big crack. What I did was I was removing the sandwich, so the inner part of the deck. So you can see here this is original, and I removed it. I drilled, or I used several different tools to drill this out. And then I was putting new fiberglass, on top of the crack here. Now you can see this is quite stable now. Now I need to refill this hole to get stability back again into my sandwich. So what I want to do today is I want to use the epoxy to create a filler with some micro balloons to get a paste-like material with which I can then fill out the material which I removed. And yeah, let's see how it goes and enjoy watching. Okay, I think that's it. That looks quite good for me. All right, it is the next day. Let's see a intermediate result. It cured quite well until here. Looks a little bit like Nutella. So on the instruction or in the manual it says after 24 hours at 20 degrees Celsius you can start grinding, but I will let it cure for much more time, and then I will cover up these grinds which I did here with top coat, and hopefully then it will be beautiful. And if you've enjoyed watching this video, then don't hesitate to give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Until then, bye.